Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a business owner or managing products and services, keeping your inventory organized is crucial. Today, I'm going to show you how to add items in Zoho Books step by step so you can manage your products and services efficiently in 2025. Stick around because by the end of this guide, you'll know how to keep your inventory accurate and up to date. First, let's start by accessing Zoho Books. Open your web browser and head over to the Zoho Books website. Once you're there, click the sign in button and log in with your Zoho account credentials. After logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Here, locate the items option in the main menu. This is where Zoho Books lets you manage all your products and services. Click on it to open your inventory management area. Now, it's time to add a new item. On the items page, look for the new button and click it. This will open a form where you can enter all the important details about your product or service. Start with the item name. Make it clear and descriptive so you can identify it easily later. Next, add a detailed description that explains exactly what the item is, which is especially helpful if you have a large inventory. Then, input the pricing details. Be accurate here to ensure your sales records are correct. Before you finish, consider using the inventory adjustments feature. This is optional, but I highly recommend it. It allows you to immediately set or correct the physical stock levels of your item. This is crucial for tracking shrinkage, damaged goods, or any discrepancies in your inventory. Once all details are entered and stock levels are confirmed, save your item. Congratulations, you've just added a new product or service to your Zoho Books inventory. And that's it. Adding items in Zoho Books is that simple, but doing it correctly can save you so much time and headaches later. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.